Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Devialet Gold Phantom, high-end wireless speaker, 4,500 watts and 108 decibels. It's got about 124 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4 out of 5 stars. And if you love high-end powerful speakers, Devialet has other models as well, so check those out. This may be the ultimate wireless speaker. You can hear every detail brought to life with unthinkable clarity and precision by a grade 1 titanium tweeter. It also has indecent power and ultra deep bass, sound in its purest and most essential form. Also, it's finished in fine 22 karat gold. Nice! With a frequency range of 14 Hz to 27,000 Hz, you can hear the crisp highs and feel the deep lows. Connect with Spotify Connect, AirPlay, Bluetooth, UPnP, optical, and analog. The speaker is compact at 14 by 17 by 23 inches, but it weighs in at 28 pounds. Now let me share with you a helpful review from verified purchaser Jay. Very good sound quality, the bass is excellent and well controlled. Listening to the greatest show opening track, one can appreciate the thump from foot stomping and also clearly listen to the vocals of Hugh Jackman. Songs at high volume and low volume sound good. Vocals sound good, clear separation between vocals and instruments. It's a beautiful looking device. Even while playing bass at high volume, there's absolutely no vibration on the speaker body. It looks like Apple made the device. Well, there you go. If you want a high-end speaker with huge bass, check out the Devialet Gold Phantom today. You're gonna love it.